Hemp hearts contain 10 grams of complete protein in just 3 tablespoons. That is 67% more protein than one 50-cent egg, costs only 75 cents per serving, and requires zero cooking. These tiny seeds pack twice the magnesium, 4 times the healthy fats, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that eggs simply can't match. Here is what makes this critical for seniors over 60. Your body breaks down muscle tissue 40% faster after age 60 due to sarcopenia, affecting nearly half of all seniors. While everyone pushes expensive eggs and protein powders, hemp hearts deliver superior bioavailable protein that your aging digestive system actually absorbs easily. The protein difference is remarkable. Hemp hearts contain all 9 essential amino acids in 2 easily digestible proteins called digestin and albumin. Digestin is structurally similar to human blood proteins, meaning your body uses nearly 100% of what you consume. Compare that to eggs, which become harder to digest and process as your stomach acid naturally decreases with age. Cost breakdown. A dozen eggs now costs $6 to $8. 1 pound of hemp hearts provides 20 servings for $12 to $15, lasting up to 2 years without refrigeration. That's 75 cents per serving versus 50 cents to 0.67 per egg, but hemp hearts deliver 67% more protein plus fiber, magnesium, and omega-3 south that eggs lack entirely. The convenience factor changes everything. No refrigeration needed, no expiration anxiety, no cooking required. Sprinkle them on anything, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or eat straight from the spoon. Perfect for seniors with changing appetites or limited cooking ability. Think about this. How many times have you bought eggs with good intentions only to discover them expired in your refrigerator weeks later? That's money down the drain, plus the frustration of having to make another grocery trip. Hemp hearts sit in your pantry for up to 2 years, ready whenever you need them. No checking expiration dates, no worrying about power outages affecting your refrigerator, no planning meals around using eggs before they spoil. The versatility aspect becomes crucial as we age and our eating habits change. Maybe you're not cooking full meals as often, or your appetite varies from day to day. Hemp hearts adapt to your lifestyle, feeling low energy. Sprinkle them on a simple piece of toast with honey. Want something more substantial? Blend them into a smoothie with frozen fruit, having digestion issues. Mix them into gentle foods like banana or applesauce. But here is the real game changer. Hemp hearts contain 50% of your daily magnesium needs per serving. Studies show 80% of seniors are magnesium deficient, leading to bone loss, muscle weakness, and cardiovascular issues. The magnesium in hemp hearts is naturally balanced with other minerals for optimal absorption, unlike harsh supplements that upset your stomach. Why magnesium matters more after 60? Your kidneys become less efficient at conserving magnesium, while medications like diuretics and proton pump inhibitors actually deplete your body's magnesium stores. Low magnesium contributes to muscle cramps, irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, and even mood changes. The form of magnesium in hemp hearts is chelated with amino acids, making it up to 40% more absorbable than standard magnesium supplements. Anti-inflammatory power. Hemp hearts provide the perfect ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids plus gamma-linolenic acid (GLA) that actively fights chronic inflammation. This inflammaging is linked to virtually every age-related disease, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, even Alzheimer's. The inflammation connection runs deeper than most people realize. After age 60, your immune system shifts into a state of chronic low-grade inflammation, even when you're not sick or injured. This background inflammation accelerates aging, contributes to joint pain, and makes it harder for your body to repair itself. The GLA in hemp hearts is particularly powerful because it converts directly into anti-inflammatory compounds called prostaglandins, which help calm this inflammatory response naturally. Iron absorption. Hemp hearts provide 20% of daily iron needs in a form that is easily absorbed, paired with vitamin C for maximum bioavailability. No constipation or stomach upset like iron supplements cause. Iron deficiency becomes increasingly common with age, especially for seniors who may eat less red meat or have absorption issues. The iron in hemp hearts comes packaged with natural cofactors that enhance absorption, vitamin C, folate, and amino acids that work synergistically. Unlike iron pills that can cause constipation, nausea, and stomach irritation, plant-based iron from hemp hearts is gentle on your digestive system while being highly effective. Digestive health advantages. Hemp hearts contain both soluble and insoluble fiber to 4 grams per serving. The soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, while the insoluble fiber promotes regular bowel movements. This dual fiber action becomes increasingly important as digestive motility naturally slows with age. The fiber in hemp hearts also helps you feel satisfied longer, which can be beneficial for seniors who struggle with portion control or frequent snacking on less nutritious foods. Unlike eggs, which provide zero fiber, hemp hearts actually support your entire digestive process from blood sugar control to elimination. Sleep and brain benefits. Natural melatonin precursors and phosphorus support better sleep quality and cognitive function, to major concerns for seniors. Sleep architecture changes dramatically after 60, with less deep sleep and more frequent awakening. Hemp hearts contain tryptophan, the same amino acid found in turkey that promotes sleepiness. But unlike a heavy turkey dinner, hemp hearts provide this benefit without the digestive burden. The magnesium content also relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system, setting the stage for better sleep quality. For brain health, hemp hearts provide phosphatidylserine and other phospholipids that maintain healthy brain cell membranes. These compounds become more important with age as the brain's ability to produce them naturally declines. The omega-3 fatty acids in hemp hearts, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, support neurotransmitter production and may help protect against cognitive decline. Cardiovascular benefits. The arginine content in hemp hearts helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, crucial as arteries naturally stiffen with age. 3 tablespoons provide approximately 1.5 grams of arginine, which converts to nitric oxide in your body. This compound helps blood vessels dilate, potentially lowering blood pressure and improving circulation to extremities. The plant sterols in hemp hearts actively help lower LDL cholesterol levels, working opposite to eggs, which can raise cholesterol in some people. Studies show that consuming 2 to 3 grams of plant sterols daily can reduce LDL cholesterol by 6 to 15%. Hemp hearts provide approximately 100 milligrams of plant sterols per serving, contributing to this beneficial effect. Safety concerns addressed. Hemp hearts contain 0 THC, won't affect drug tests, completely legal nationwide. The mild, nutty taste appeals to most people without egg sulfur smell some dislike. Let's be completely clear about the safety profile. Hemp hearts come from the cannabis sativa plant, but they're from industrial hemp varieties that contain less than 0.3% THC, essentially none. The psychoactive compounds are concentrated in the flowers and leaves, not the seeds. You could eat pounds of hemp hearts and never experience any psychoactive effects. The taste profile is universally appealing, mild, nutty, slightly creamy. Unlike eggs, which some seniors avoid due to the sulfur compounds that create digestive gas and unpleasant aftertaste, hemp hearts have a clean, pleasant flavor that doesn't interfere with other foods. Many people describe them as tasting like a cross between sunflower seeds and pine nuts, but milder than both. Drug interactions and considerations. Hemp hearts are generally safe for most medications, but their omega-3 content may enhance the effects of blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're taking blood thinners, start with smaller amounts and monitor with your healthcare provider. The fiber content may also slow absorption of some medications, so take medications and hemp hearts at least 2 hours apart if advised by your pharmacist. How to start: begin with 1 tablespoon daily for 1 week, then increase to 3 tablespoons. Divide throughout the day for optimal protein utilization. Store in airtight container, no refrigeration needed. This gradual introduction allows your digestive system to adapt to the increased fiber and healthy fats. Some people experience mild digestive changes when dramatically increasing fiber intake, so the slow approach prevents any discomfort. After the first week, you can increase to 2 tablespoons daily, then to the full 3 tablespoons by week 3. Timing matters for optimal protein utilization. Consider 1 tablespoon with breakfast, 1 with lunch, and 1 with an afternoon snack or dinner. This spacing helps maintain steady amino acid levels in your bloodstream throughout the day, supporting muscle protein synthesis more effectively than consuming all protein at once. Storage and quality tips: look for hemp hearts that appear plump and uniform in color. With a fresh, nutty aroma, avoid products that look yellowish or smell rancid. Once opened, hemp hearts stay fresh in an airtight container for several months at room temperature or up to a year in the refrigerator. For maximum freshness, buy from retailers with high turnover and check packaging dates. Practical incorporation ideas: start your day by adding hemp hearts to overnight oats or yogurt. The creamy texture complements both perfectly. For quick energy, blend them into smoothies. They add richness without overwhelming flavors. Sprinkle them on salads for extra protein and crunch, or mix them into homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. For seniors with smaller appetites, hemp hearts can boost the nutritional density of any meal without adding bulk. A tablespoon mixed into soup adds protein and healthy fats without changing the taste significantly. They can even be blended into sauces or dressings for hidden nutrition. Environmental bonus: hemp requires 0 pesticides, improves soil health, produces more protein per acre than animal sources. You're supporting sustainable nutrition while improving your health. Hemp is one of the most environmentally sustainable crops on Earth. It grows quickly, requires minimal water compared to other protein sources, and actually improves soil health by removing toxins and preventing erosion. Choosing hemp hearts over eggs significantly reduces your environmental footprint. Hemp production generates 75% fewer greenhouse gases than egg production. For seniors concerned about the world they're leaving for grandchildren, this choice aligns personal health with environmental responsibility. Hemp farming supports biodiversity, requires no chemical inputs, and uses every part of the plant for different purposes, creating 0 waste. The social aspect: many seniors find that hemp hearts become a conversation starter. Sharing this knowledge with friends, explaining the benefits, and even introducing others to hemp hearts can create social connections around health and wellness. Having something new and beneficial to discuss often leads to deeper conversations about aging well and staying vibrant. Economic considerations beyond cost per serving factor in the hidden costs of eggs: higher grocery bills, food waste from spoilage, potential healthcare costs from nutrient deficiencies. Hemp hearts eliminate food waste, reduce shopping frequency, and provide superior nutrition that may support better health outcomes over time. The bottom line: hemp hearts deliver superior nutrition, convenience, and value for seniors. They're easier to digest, more sustainable, longer lasting, and packed with nutrients targeting age-related health challenges. This isn't just about replacing eggs, it's about upgrading your entire approach to nutrition after 60. Hemp hearts represent a shift from reactive eating, choosing foods you can tolerate, to proactive nutrition, choosing foods that actively support your health goals. The compound benefits add up over time. Better protein absorption supports muscle maintenance. Improved magnesium intake supports bone health and cardiovascular function. Anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce joint pain and protect against chronic disease. Better sleep quality improves mood and cognitive function. It's a cascade of positive health effects from one simple dietary change. Start with one bag, add them to your morning routine, and notice the difference in energy and digestion within days. Thousands of seniors are already making this switch, discovering that the most powerful nutrition sometimes comes in the smallest packages. Your health journey doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the most impactful changes are also the simplest. Give Hemp Hearts 3 weeks to show you what they can do. Pay attention to your energy levels, sleep quality, digestion, and overall sense of well-being. Most seniors notice improvements within the first week, with cumulative benefits building over time. The choice is clear. Continue relying on expensive perishable eggs that become harder to digest with age. Or upgrade to Hemp Hearts, a complete protein source that works with your changing body, supports your health goals, and simplifies your life. The thousands of seniors who've already made this switch aren't going back to eggs. Once you experience the difference, you'll understand why.